everyone, I am Neetu Singh, PhD student at Indian Institute of Science, and today with us we have Dr. Saptadipa Paul, a publication specialist analysis. So, hi Saptadipa, a very warm welcome to Treat DM 2025. Here we would like to hear from you your insights on how research problems, how you faced problems during your research journey, and how do you think clinicians can pitch in to help resolve those fundamental research questions?
So, hi Mitu. So, what I feel is, as being in basic science for quite a long time, I see that how clinician would solve our problem is whatever we see in petri dishes or tissues or cell lines, that will be more applicable when we see those things in patient samples. And clinicians can pitch into that section and provide us insights, also the data that we receive, the samples first of all, and the data that we receive. They can validate those data, as well as they can help us correlate those studies in a population rather than on a cell or a mice model. That would be really helpful for us.
So that is one aspect, like clinicians pitching it for helping to resolve the fundamental research questions. But what about pharmaceutical companies? How do you see, or how do you envision the pharmaceutical industries helping in the research, fundamental research questions?
So with respect to pharma companies, what I would say is, for example, if you're going for a drug development and we see some results in mice model or a small cohort, with pharma industry intervention, we can go for it to be a product, which is obviously a long-term goal and will take a lot of time. But pharma intervention is important there to take a product from a benchside to the patient.
Very right. Now, finally, not leaving aside the technical advances that are coming through in the coming timings, how do you see the technological advances are helping in frame the scientific questions and further explore it in a way that can lead to clinical translations?
So, what I feel with respect to for example, AI intervention, it can be a boon as well as it can be taken in a very wrong direction. But that basically depends on the persons or user, how as we all know that it's a training model everywhere. So with time, maybe it will be better rather than that false results and all that we get. But it can be taken as a helpful resource where we can take AI and advance in a way or make work simpler. So the idea still comes from humans, but we advance, or the time reduction can be done through AI.
Very insightful, Dr. Saptadipa. Finally, since you've been an IISc student, so I would like to understand how IISc helped in framing up your research career and how it was helpful to get into industry and your current job.
So IISc was a wonderful experience, I would say. With respect to science, I have learned a lot here. All the interdisciplinary activities. I have I had worked on biochemical aspect, but after coming here, I have seen cells, or I have done a little bit of informatics. So that collaborative environment has really helped me, and I have learned a lot in that respect.
Very nice time with Dr. Saptadipa. Thank you so much for your time and your insights.
Thank you.